Hey guys, I'm back again today with another video. Today's video is gonna be my eyebrow tutorial basically, because I've been having people asking me for a video on my eyebrows for so long, and one of my good friends came to ask me to do it, so I decided, hey, what the heck, let me just do it. So let's get into the video. Gonna brush the eyebrows up. This is how I do it. I'm not a makeup artist. I just like to play in makeup. Still learning. So yes. What I use for the tail of my eyebrow is NYX Gel Liner and Smudge in the color dark brown. I've been using this for about 2 years, but I didn't know that it was not an eyebrow pomade. Because I didn't read it. Reading is important, guys. So, yeah. I use this. Just trace your eyebrow. You know, you trace the natural lines of your eyebrow. Well, that's what I like to do, but you can go outside of your natural eyebrow line. And if it looks funny, don't worry about it. It happens, you know. When you clean it up, it's gonna look popping. It's gonna look on fleek. Eyebrows on fleek. The fuck. I wipe off the excess because I use this same brush for the actual brow pomade from NYX. It's called in the color Brunette. I use that for the front of my eyebrow for the fade. You know, you could put a little bit, you could put a lot. Just depends on how you know, dark or light you want it. Okay, now that I've achieved how I want it to look, you can just I call this kind of like blending out or brushing out, you know, the excess hard product. So this is how it looks. This is before you clean it up. I use LA Girl Pro concealer to clean it up in the color Fawn. And I'm going in with a regular brush. I don't really use this brush, but I'm gonna use it today. So this is how it looks now that it's a bit cleaned up. And now for the real cleaning up. Don't mind my beauty blender, it's dirty, but yeah. And you just like, you know. So I use the damp beauty blender, by the way, with this spray that I got from Primark. It's cucumber and green tea. I use it because it works for me, but I guess you can use like any other product. Am I the only one that still cleans up like even after makeup done and you have a full face and everything, because you just find like, you know, your eyebrow ain't up to par, up to how you usually do it, like, you know? I find myself like still cleaning up my brow like way after. So this is how I do my eyebrow, basically. Nothing fancy, nothing much. And then like, cause I have nigga hair, so what I do, I go in with a wax pencil basically to keep my hairs down, and I just like, you know, pass it lightly. We don't want all that wax on the eyebrow, but it's just to keep the hairs, you know, in check. Gotta keep them hairs in check, boy. So it is blended out now, and that's how it looks. So this is how I do my eyebrows, ladies. This video is for all the females that has been asking me for years how I do my eyebrows. This is how I do my eyebrows. I will link the products below what I used on my eyebrows. So yeah, hope you guys liked it.